In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Meeting between the Minister of Industry and Commerce of Afghanistan and the Minister of Belarus during a visit in Uzbekistan. Negotiation between Maulvi Abdul Kabir and the UN High Commissioner for Refugees representative on migrants and returnees. And 7 killed and injured in a shooting incident among youth in North Carolina, the USA. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 1st of Zulqa'dah al-Haram, 1447, the 1st of Sawf, 1405, and the 21st of April, 2026. The news details. Maulvi Nuruddin Azizi, the Minister of Industry and Commerce, met with Andrei Yevgenyevich Kuznetsov, the Minister of Industry of Belarus, during his official visit to Uzbekistan. Based on the Minister of Industry and Commerce, both sides discussed ways to enhance bilateral trade and the potential import of oil from Belarus. The ministry added that Maulvi Azizi invited Belarusian investors to make investment in various sectors in Afghanistan, particularly in pharmaceutical industry. Maulvi Abdul Kabir, the Minister of Refugee and Repatriation, held talks with Arafat Jamal, the head of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, in Afghanistan, focusing on issues related to migrants and returnees. His Excellency Arafat Jamal stated that leadership group addressing Afghan refugee challenges has begun efforts to mobilize additional financial resources and is expected to visit Afghanistan in the near future. He further noted that alongside the UN agency, international organizations are also working to address challenges faced by Afghan refugees. He expressed hope that the UN High Commissioner for Refugees will soon visit Kabul to assess the situation of the returning Afghans. His Excellency Jamal also highlighted the ongoing support initiatives, including the establishment of 2 large carpet weaving factories in Herat and Mazar Sharif, which are expected to provide employment opportunities for hundreds of returnees. The news continuation. Maulvi Sadrazam Osmani, the Deputy Minister of Agriculture and Livestock, met with officials from the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO of the United Nations. The Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock stated that both sides discussed continued coordination, expansion of cooperation, and a stronger focus on implementing effective projects in the areas of certified feeds, chemical fertilizers, and increased agricultural production. The Deputy Minister emphasized that over the past 2 decades, fundamental steps toward achieving self-sufficiency in seed production have not been adequately taken and farmers' requirements have not been fully met. He called on the organization to implement projects in an effective, transparent manner aligned with the actual needs of the agricultural sector. And ultimately, in accordance with the report by Associated Press, a confrontation among youth in a park in North Carolina escalated into a mass shooting, resulting in 2 fatalities and 5 injuries. The reports indicate that 4 women are among the victims, and the condition of some of the injured has been described as critical. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.